In this lecture, I'll discuss how to solve Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Spearman rank correlation coefficient is denoted by symbol R and it is calculated by using formula 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Here d is equals to R1 minus R2. Let's solve the first problem on Spearman rank correlation. Here ranks obtained by 10 students in biostatistics and mathematics are given below and you have to find Spearman rank correlation. The rank obtained by students in subject biostatistics are provided in column 1 and rank obtained by students in mathematics are given in column 2. So now find out D, which is calculated by R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 10 minus 8 is 2. Now find out d square. So minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. And 2 into 2 is 4. Now find out sigma d square, and sigma d square is calculated by summing up all the values of d square. So d square is equals to 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4. When you add all these values of d square, then the value of sigma d square is 40. So the value of sigma d square is 40. The value of n is calculated by counting number of observations, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the value of n is 10. Now put the value of sigma d square and n in the formula. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n in bracket n square minus 1. So R is equals to 1 minus 6 into 40 upon 10 in bracket 10 square minus 1. By solving this, R is equals to 1 minus 240 upon 990. And by solving all these equations, the final value of R is 0.757. So in this way, you can find out the value of R when ranks are provided in the question already. Now the second question is, the marks obtained by 10 students in botany and zoology are given below. Find out Spearman rank correlation. In this table, the marks obtained by students in botany and zoology are provided, and from this data you have to find out the Spearman rank correlation. So you have to find out the correlation between marks obtained by student in subject botany and zoology. First write down the marks obtained by student in subject botany here in this column: 41, 25, 49, 19, 10, 43, 9, 6 and 30. Now write down the marks obtained by students in zoology here in this column, and it is 31, 35, 45, 23, 7, 49, 12, 4 and 33. Now you have to assign ranks to the students on the basis of their marks from highest to lowest. R1 is the rank obtained by student in subject botany and R2 is the rank obtained by student in subject zoology. First, calculate the value of R1. So in subject botany, the highest score is 49. So the student who scored 49 marks, the rank is 1. Next to 49, it is 43. Student who scored 43 marks, rank is 2. Next to 43, it is 41. Rank is 3. After 41, it is 30. Rank is 4. Next to 30, it is 25. Rank is 5. After 25, it is 19. So rank is 6. Next to 19, it is 10. Rank is 7. Next to 10, it is 9. Rank is 8. So the lowest score is 6 and the rank is 9. In the same way, you have to assign ranks to the student in subject zoology on the basis of their marks from highest to lowest. The highest marks in subject zoology is 49. So the student who scored 49 marks, the rank is 1. Next to 49, it is 45. Rank is 2. Next to 45, it is 35. Rank is 3. After 35, it is 33. Rank is 4. Next to 33, it is 31. Rank is 5. After 31, it is 23. Rank is 6. Next to 23, it is 12. Rank is 7. Next to 12 is 7 and rank is 8. The lowest score is 4 and the rank is 9. Now find out the value of D by R1 minus R2. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Now find out the value of D square. So minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Now find out sigma D square by adding all the value of D square. So sigma D square is 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. By adding all the values of D square, sigma D square is 12. Value of sigma D square is 12. N is calculated by counting the total number of observations in this data, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So n is equals to 9. Now put the value of sigma D square and n in formula. R is equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square upon n in bracket n square minus 1. By putting the value of sigma D square and n in the formula, R is equals to 1 minus 6 into 12 upon 9 in bracket 9 square minus 1. By solving this equation, R is equals to 1 minus 72 upon 9 in bracket 81 minus 1. So by solving all these equations, the value of R is 0.9. So this is how you can find out Spearman correlation coefficient. Thank you.